Hello, class 12. After a long time, I don't have much time to prepare the video for you. So I'm extremely sorry for that. We will continue with the chapter Hello Alkenes and Hello Arenes, Organic Chemistry for class 12. Send-Meyer reaction. Very important. I put the star mark. Very important reaction from examination point of view also. When you react with the aminobenzene, this is called amino compound substitution with amino this is called amino is substituted with hydrogen group, that is called, or the common name we call it, that's it, aniline or aminobenzene. It is same compound. When you treat with the sodium nitrite, not nitrate, NO2 nitrite, when plus hydrochloric acid at a very low temperature 273 to 278 in Kelvin, means 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, you form benzene diazoxide chloride. And this structure is very stable because of the presence of negative charge on the chloride and plus charge on the nitrogen. That is called neum. Okay. So benzene diazoxide chloride, when you treat with the CuBr or cuprous bromide, you will get bromobenzene. Cuprous chloride, you will get chlorobenzene. So these are the preparation. I will go for the mechanism in my next lecture, but these are the reactions. You have to learn it very well, practice it, and you remember the name of the reagent, how the benzene diazonium chloride. From here we will study about the Gutterman reaction. So that is also good, very much important. And this is the substrate from there, means here is the product from which it undergo, but this will be the substrate for the Gutterman reaction. Okay then, till then, goodbye. You just pause it and copy it. Now I am going to for the mechanism in my part 2. I will show you how the mechanism will take from aniline to benzene diazoxide chloride, and how it is going to react with the cuprous bromide to give bromobenzene, and cuprous chloride to give chlorobenzene in my next lecture. Thank you. Till then, if you like the reaction, which is very much important, I already told you, this is very much, and my reaction is very common in examination point of view and for your learning process, where we will use only the substitution will be of chlorine and bromine. Okay then, till then, those who are new to my channel, subscribe, and those who are old, following me for the last 1 month or so, please help me to subscribe and forward and share it with their friends and all. You just pause it and copy it, and I will go in my lecture 2, that is part 2, all the mechanism and all. Thank you.